skinny ear kid thinking I wouldn't understand the ref.
We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for an Amber Alert. Be on the lookout for 2 abducted children from Franklin County, last seen on 715 Brown Road in the city of Columbus at 7:31 a.m. on October 28th. The suspect is believed to be driving a dark blue 2015 Chevy Cruze with license plate N260483 from the state of Ohio. The first child is Zy Page, 1-year-old, black female, 1 foot 0 inches, weighing 18 pounds, with brown hair and black eyes. The child was last seen wearing a dinosaur jacket and pants. The second child is Kai Williams, age 3, a black male, 3 feet, 30 pounds, with red hair and brown eyes. The child was last seen wearing skeleton PJs and socks. The suspect's name is Zaquire Page. Suspect is a black male, 24 years old, with black hair and brown eyes, last seen wearing a black jacket and jeans with a stripe down the side. He is 5 feet, 8 inches, weighing 138 pounds. Please call 1-877-AMBER-OH, 1-877-262-3764, or dial 911 immediately if you see the child, the suspect, or the suspect vehicle. This concludes this emergency alert system message.